Here's a question for y'all. When you're running around during the course of your normal day, whether it's at work or whatever, do you ever miss your cat? Whoa, that's a wild thing to contemplate, huh? With all the hundreds of things that could be in our minds, right? All of the constant things that have to get done, pay the bills, etc. To have the space in your mind to be missing a cat, some would say that's odd. Some would even say you must be getting old. Well, first off, I do think about and miss my cats from time to time when I'm out and about. And yes, I am odd. And I'm definitely getting older. That's for sure. But I'm a lone wolf. I don't think like the sheep. I have no desire to think or be normal. And as far as getting older, it definitely beats the alternative. So I embrace them both. But you know what I believe even more so? Having the space in one's mind to appreciate or even miss a cat is more of an indication of peace. Reaching a certain level of freedom where all the daily grind and clutter in the brain is at a minimum. I'm in a good place, working on making it even better. But y'all know what the real question is, right? Do our cats miss us? You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. The short answer is yes. Absolutely, they miss you when you're away. They show it in various ways, which we will discuss. But first, let's establish why. The first of the reasons that your cat misses you is routine. Most of you already know that cats are big on routine. They thrive on routine, and their predictable world is disrupted when you are absent, and that can be very stressful for them to one degree or another. Now, another reason that your cat misses you is bonding. They see you as security and safety. Cats form strong attachments, so they see their caregivers as their providers, and not just for food. Even the most independent of cats, they want interaction. They miss the attention that you show them when you're not home. Let me go in here. Go in here and see what's happening. Hey. Hi, good to see you too. What's up? What you been doing? Where you going? What? But look, I understand the question. Do our cats miss us? I mean, they act so nonchalant when we are there, right? It's natural to wonder if they even give a flying you know what. The thing is understanding how cats' emotions work. I get the same things from people as cats get. because of my personality. They call me poker face. You can't really read what I'm thinking or feeling regardless of the situation. But just because we don't wear our hearts on our sleeves does not mean that we are emotionless. That whole duck's feet under the water thing, you feel me? Batman never stops talking, and he's always fussing to go outside. Now my cats are indoor cats, but this one has a wild streak. Batman, unlike the other two, wants to be on the move. He likes riding in the car, being out in the yard. He wants to go anywhere that I go, basically. So I came up with something where I can take him more places and still keep him safe and out of trouble. Tell me in the comments what y'all think. We'll see how this goes. Anyways, so we've talked about some of the reasons why our cats miss us. Now let's talk about how they show. One sign could be vocal expressiveness. While being vocal is not what most cats are renowned for, some cats become more expressive when they miss their caregivers. Increased meowing is definitely a sign that they miss you and want your attention. Then there's the elaborate greeting. Maybe when you got home, the vibration of your cat's purr shook the whole room. Or your leg still hurts from the vigorous headbutts. Either way, no worries. Your cat missed you. That's for sure. You also have the constant shadow. The cat's solitary nature is what they're known for. However, your cat is acting a little different today. They've been shadowing you ever since you got back in the house. Yeah, they miss you, alright. Some cats become more expressive when they miss their caregivers. Increased meowing is definitely a sign that they miss you and want your attention. Sometimes they can have altered eating habits. Your absence could have disrupted your cat's eating routine. This can cause a change in their eating habits. Some cats may overindulge due to stress, while others may eat less. Either way, both behaviors are reflective of their desire for your continued presence. Now, some cats actually catch an attitude when you leave them for what, in their opinion, is too long. Brudman is one of such cats. Now, when you get home, you get the opposite of this warm greeting. But after a little while, they come around to their normal loving selves. Hey, baby, I'm home. You not excited? I'm gonna take that cone off. I know. You got an attitude. Of course, you have your kneading and purring. Rhythmic paw kneading often surfaces when your cat is feeling safe and secure and content. Y'all know that this is a behavior that goes all the way back for them to kittenhood, when they were nursing and stuff. A combination of this and heavy purring is when you know it's on and popping. They miss their companion and they're excited that you're back. Next we have scent-seeking sleep. Scent is a big thing to a cat. They rely on it for a lot of what they do and how they move in the world. It's their way of marking territory, and it's how they claim you as mine. So, if your cat is nestling amongst the clothes you just took off, that's a clear indicator that they missed you. What about excessive grooming? When experiencing stress or anxiety due to your absence, sometimes cats resort to over-grooming. This is a coping mechanism. If you notice this is a sign that they miss you. And of course, there is the post-reunion playfulness. Your arrival back home represents playtime and fun to your cat. They more than likely associate your presence with engagement and amusement. That's why they might have heightened energy and playfulness when you get home. This is also a sure sign that you were missed. So as you can see, our cats do miss us. We just have to be able to interpret the message. Now remember to treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family, fam.